Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my 19th look in my 31 Days of Halloween series. Today I'm going to be turning into Mystique from X-Men. She's very blue, she has very orange hair, and this is kind of my take on her. So if you guys want to see how I turn into her, just keep watching and let's get started. So this is my finished Mystique look. I think with the wig, it all just comes together. So if you liked this tutorial, make sure you let me know down below by liking and commenting and sharing this to your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, wherever. And make sure you follow me so you don't miss the rest of 31 days of Halloween. And I will see you guys tomorrow.